Hello everybody. Today we're going to be playing fidgetspinner.io. I'm just going to start this up. And pretty much how you play this game is you collect dots and they make you spin faster. And the goal for this video is to get top 10. And when you crash into people, you lose dots, and if you reach 0, then you die, which is not good. I just died there. And there's goals to the left to help you level up. So right now we're at 50, 60 RPM. Our goal is to get 540 so we can be in the top 10. Pretty much the only thing you have to worry about is colliding with other fidget spinners. Like if you collide with him, I get the dots. I basically steal his dots. I keep on running into the same person. So right now we're at 20 and we're 27th in the server. And we're going for 563. We have 1 kill. So we're almost halfway there to our goal. I think you can only kill lower people than you that have lower RPM. Like this 14 guy, we just killed him. And now we're at 300 RPM. So now we have 2 kills and we're 17 in the server. Now we're 15, 16. And the circle with the spinning, it gives you a boost, so you can use that to kill their players. Right now we're going after this. Never mind. Not doing that. That person has 4,000 RPM. Probably just gonna stay away from him. I think he can boost. Not sure. He's coming after us. Whoa. Alrighty, so he knocked us down a lot. So now we're 43 in the world. So we just need to gain our dots back. I think the easiest way to get higher up is just kill other people. Other fidget spinners. Seems the easiest way. Like this person, I don't know how you have to be. Whoa. Something clipped out. So yeah, you can supercharge kind of. You can get a bunch of dots. So that's handy to know. You can use your dots to... Oh, and I died. So our max RPM was 406, total kills 2, time alive 4 minutes and 21 seconds. We're gonna try this one more time. Hopefully get in the top 10. So we pretty much just need to get as much dots as we can and kill more people. And so that's what GG did to us, was he basically used his like super ability and we were too slow. So we just need to get a lot more RPM in the top 10. Whoa, whoa. Gotta have those strafe movements. We're dead. So thank y'all for watching. Please subscribe and